and I am here to answer your questions about pedio thread lifts today. The whole world is moving towards the non-surgical facelifting options, and more people are more interested in treatments which don't involve going under the knife. Pedio threads are basically polydioxone threads. They are dissolvable threads which are used in surgery, and they are placed in the upper dermis of the skin in the formation of a layer of network or a meshwork, and they are going to cause a significant improvement in the texture of the skin, in the tightening of the skin, in the metabolism of the skin, and you can expect a whole range of improvement. When a pedio thread is introduced into the skin, the treatment procedure for pedio thread involves application of local anesthetic cream, and then after the local anesthetic cream has been removed, after a significant amount of time to give anesthesia, the pedio thread marking is done. If acne scars are going to be treated, you create a mesh so that the skin is going to get supported by the pedio thread itself, and you are going to get an improvement in the dermis. The threads are available in various lengths and diameter, and the thread is selected based on the indication which is being treated. Shorter threads are usually used to treat the acne scars, whereas longer threads can be used to lift up and support jawline as well as mid-face sagging. So the thread can be inserted in a very gentle manner, and since the thread itself is very thin, there is hardly any bleeding or bruising which is noticed. The treatment is very simple and takes a few minutes and can be done as a lunchtime procedure. Usually there is no aftercare which is specifically required. A topical anesthetic is applied before sunscreen, and the patient goes home with a small dose of painkiller, maybe a paracetamol. Oral antibiotics are usually not needed in this treatment. Side effects for this treatment are extremely rare because it is a quick, simple treatment, but expect some amount of pain where the thread has been inserted and can be handled easily with the paracetamol tablet, and usually resolves within 72 hours of the procedure itself. Bruising is rare but should be always kept in mind, especially if you have a social event coming up. So make sure that you tell your doctor in advance, and then they can plan the treatments accordingly. Results of the thread lift procedure are usually seen about a month after the procedure because it takes that much time for the collagenesis to develop. So plan your treatments accordingly. Do not plan your treatment just 1 week before the event because the result would not have developed by then. Remember, when you're planning thread lifts along with other procedure like botulinum toxin or fillers, the treatments have to be spaced out a little bit so that the treatments will give their best benefits. The pedio thread lift can be used to treat sagging neckline, sagging of the lower face or jawline to make the jawline more sharp. It can be used to treat open pores as well as acne scars because of the increased metabolism. So in fact, when we talk about all these procedures, whether it is facial sagging, acne scars, there are more than one modality which is available to treat the patient. So to know whether you're the correct candidate for pedio thread lift, or to understand more about all these procedures, speak to your dermatologist today.